Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings. From here, go to storage, tap on your SD card, choose the three dots and go to storage settings, where you should find the option to format. Now once you tap on it, it will give you the message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise, if you have already done it, or well, you don't want to, select format SD card. The process will automatically begin, and I assume it's already finished. That kind of looked weird, so let's try it again. So something just, oh, there we go. Something happened with the SD card, so I'm going to try it again. Okay, so I assume that is how it's supposed to look like. That's basically how you would format it, so I'm not sure if something is broken or if that is how it's working on this device. But anyway, that is how you'd format it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.